Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Sophie. Karibu. I'll be showing you how to do your under eyes, especially if you do have dark under eyes or hollow under eyes. Before that, let me show you some concealer. Green concealer is used to neutralize redness, especially if you do have acne or rashes that make you a bit red. The yellow concealer is used to neutralize purple undertone, especially the way veins give a purple undertone. The orange concealer is used as a color corrector for hyperpigmentation, dark under eyes, or even around your mouth if you have hyperpigmentation. I'll be using these two concealers, one that is orange and the other one is my normal highlight concealer. This orange concealer, I will be using it as a color corrector, and this one I'll be using it to brighten my under eyes. Let's get into it. Come closer, please. I'll start by moisturizing and applying primer, but I've mixed the two. You definitely do not need that much. That's a lot then. That's a lot. Spread it evenly. But that's a lot. That's a lot. Make sure your under eyes are moisturized and hydrated. Oh, there you go. Using my orange concealer, let's place it places that I am really dark or the hyperpigmentation is really pronounced, like that. I'm using a small amount because I don't want the gray effect. Yeah, just like that. Using my finger, I'm going to blend because I want to be precise, and also my finger has some warmth, making it a bit easier to blend. If you're enjoying my content, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you, it really does help. I'm going to be adding some more. Blend. You can already spot a difference, especially the bags. There's a difference in the darkness. You can see how orange cancels out with the darkness. You see that? Yeah, I know you see it. You see the difference? Look at it. There's a difference. Then using my highlight concealer, I'm going to brighten, placing it the inner corner, outer corner, and a little bit on my eye bag. I'm going to give it some time before I blend. I'm using a damp beauty blender. This one is kinda rhombus. Mwalimu wa maths, hapa ni wapi? Blend, 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 blend until you're satisfied. The shape of this beauty blender makes it easier to blend and easier to be precise. I like it. You can see a difference. Blend, 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 blend. If you need more concealer, add. Make sure you blend. Look up because you don't want creasing. Blend, blend, blend. I want it to be seamless. You can see the difference when I turn, right? Yeah, and you can see it. I'm gaslighting you. Using some powder to avoid creasing and to set the concealer as well. Now you can see the difference. Look at that. You can see the difference, right? Yeah, you can see the difference. Come close. Yeah, and that's the difference. Thank you so much for watching. In case you're new here, please subscribe. Until next time, I love you. Bye bye.